Welcome to English Podcast with Nora. Here we learn simple English for real life. Slow, clear, and step by step. Are you ready? Let's learn together. Hey there! I'm Nora. Today I'm going to the library, one of my favorite places. It's quiet, cozy, and full of books. I want to find something fun to read. While I'm at the library, you can learn some English with me. I'll take you with me. And as we go, maybe you'll pick up some English too. Just by listening to how I ask questions, how I talk to people, and how I enjoy my day. No pressure, just a soft story, and some quiet learning along the way. Come on, let's go. This morning is quiet. I wake up slowly, stretch my arms, and smile. There is no rush, no noise, just calm. I walk to the kitchen and make a cup of tea. It smells warm and sweet. I sit by the window, hold the cup in my hands, and think, what do I want to do today? Then I remember, I want to go to the library. I haven't been there in a while, and I miss the peaceful feeling it gives me. I want to find a good book to read. Maybe something about animals, or a short story with pictures. I also want to sit somewhere quiet and just enjoy a slow moment with a book. I take my small bag and put a few things inside. My notebook, a pen, and my library card. Ready, I whisper to myself. I leave my house and start walking. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining and the sky is light blue. I take a deep breath. The air feels fresh. As I walk, I see many little things. A boy riding his bike, a woman carrying flowers, and two old men sitting on a bench, talking and laughing. Everyone seems calm today. I pass by a small bakery, and the smell of fresh bread makes me smile. I look around and feel happy to be outside. Then, at the end of the street, I see it. The library. A big, quiet building with tall windows and green trees in front. There it is, I say softly. My favorite place. I open the door slowly and step inside. Right away, everything feels different. It's quiet. Very quiet. The sound of the street disappears. Now I hear only soft footsteps, pages turning, and the gentle hum of computers. The air smells like books, old paper, and something warm. I like that smell. It feels safe. I walk slowly between the tall shelves. There are books everywhere. Big ones, small ones, books with pictures, books with words I don't know yet. I feel a little excited, like I'm on a small adventure. People are reading, writing, typing. Everyone speaks in whispers. So I do too. Wow, I whisper to myself. So many stories in one place. I walk between the tall shelves looking around. This is my first time here, and everything feels new. There are books about science, history, travel, but I don't know where to start. I stop and look at a small map on the wall. It shows different sections: fiction, nonfiction, biographies, self-help. Maybe I'll try self-help, I think. Something simple, something real. I follow the signs and find a quiet corner. The shelf is full of books with soft colors and kind titles. One book catches my eye. The cover is blue and the title says, "Take Your Time, A Gentle Guide to Slow Living." I pick it up and flip through the pages. The words are easy. The message feels calm. This is the one, I whisper. I walk to the front desk. A friendly woman is there. "Hi," I say. "I'd like to borrow this book." She smiles.
Sure. Do you have a library card?
I pause. No, this is my first time here."
That's okay, she says kindly. You can make one now. It's free.
She gives me a small form. I write my name, address, phone number, and email. It only takes a minute. Then I show her my ID card.
Great.
She says.
Here's your new library card.
She scans the card and the book.
You can keep the book for 2 weeks.
"Thank you so much," I say. I feel happy and a little proud. I put the book in my bag. My first time at the library, and my first book to borrow. It feels like the start of something good. I look around and see a quiet reading area in the corner of the library. There are soft chairs, small tables, and big windows with sunlight coming in. It looks peaceful. The perfect place to read. I walk over and sit in a chair by the window. I take the book from my bag and open the first page. The paper feels smooth. The words are simple but warm. I start to read slowly. As I read, someone sits in the chair across from me. It's a girl around my age. She has a quiet smile and a book in her hands, too. After a while, we look up at the same time. She points to the book I'm reading and whispers,
"Is it good?"
I smile and nod. Yes, it's calm and kind. I really like it. She whispers back,
"I've seen that one before. I'll try it next time."
We both smile, just a small moment between strangers. Then we go back to reading, side by side in the quiet. After a few minutes, I feel calm. The world outside is busy, but in here, it's just me and the book. No phone, no noise, just quiet. I turn the page and keep reading. Sometimes I stop to think. Sometimes I smile. This book feels like a friend. After some time, I close the book and take a deep breath. I don't finish the whole thing, but that's okay. I can read more at home. I stand up, put the book back in my bag, and look around the library one more time. It feels quiet, calm, and safe, like a soft pause in the middle of a busy world. I walk slowly to the door. Outside, the sun is still shining. People are walking, cars are moving, birds are singing. Everything is the same. But I feel a little different. I smile to myself. That was nice, I think. My first visit to the library, and it won't be my last. Thanks for spending this quiet little day with me. Sometimes a calm moment, a warm book, and a peaceful place are all we need. If you enjoyed this story, maybe you can try going to a library near you. Or just find a book you love and take your time with it. No rush, just you and the words. Oh, and if you want to learn some useful English phrases for the library, check the description below. I put a few simple examples there for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to hear more of my first-time stories. Like my first train ride, my first job interview, or My first cooking disaster. Oops. See you next time, friend.